Yo, here's how you actually have a winter arc. I genuinely believe if you incorporate every one of the things that I'll say in this video, come around February and you will be unrecognizable, my dear friend. So don't miss a thing. Remember, this is a challenge. If it genuinely was easy, everyone would be doing it, but it's not, which is why the winter arc is so special. So don't you dare make excuses for yourself and slack off from the very get-go. Give yourself a 90-day challenge at least and gamify it, making different levels for you to complete, G. Now, this is crucial. You need to have discipline, for without it, you'll probably fail after week 1. And make sure you finish all your daily tasks that you've set. If you genuinely have nothing to do in life, start off with working out. The act of working out every single day itself and the discipline you get from it will spill over to other parts of your life. One cheat code I can give you myself is waking up at 5, sometimes 6 if I feel my body needs that extra hour of rest. Ain't no way your competition is bothered waking up that early. Another potentially hard challenge that you can set yourself to build your discipline is doing cold showers every morning, and studies show that it does keep you energized and awake for a couple hours. I'll be so real, I hate cold showers, so I'll avoid it. So it's advice for me rather than you lot, lol. You know you're on the right path if every day feels fulfilling. When you genuinely work on yourself with genuine integrity, your mind knows you deserve that rest at the end of the day. Your mind is satisfied with what you have produced for the day. To get more of those days, you need to cut back on the cheap dopamine, bro. Things such as social media and TikTok, junk foods and video games, they don't bring genuine contentment. So basically, you need to have a dopamine reset. Do tasks which are much bigger than yourselves, which help other people too, and do tasks which are actually fulfilling to you and that you actually enjoy. Always reflect on yourself. Have some allotted time where you do nothing, nada. It gives you time to think about your actions rather than letting life keep you occupied and make you think everything is moving at 100 miles per hour. Think of where you can improve in aspects of your life and learn to embrace the L's and use it as a learning tool. This will help you build that resilience to help you see it through till the end, my brothers. But always remember to give yourself a pat on the back for the things that you're proud of yourself for. Learn to celebrate the little W's. They're much bigger than you think. Life is actually a game of inches, and those W's will snowball into the ultimate W you've hoped to achieve at the start of your journey. Now, that being said, find out what your ultimate W is. Whether that's to lose a certain amount of weight, reach a certain body fat percentage, or even reach a milestone in your finances. Make it as realistic as possible and do everything in your power to reach it. Add a deadline for added pressure. Find it within yourself to get that intrinsic motivation to genuinely wanting to achieve it. Think about why you want it and how it will benefit you and the people around you. Plan out how the road ahead will look before you reach it, as failure to prepare means preparing to fail, G's. Have like-minded guys around you. You don't understand the value of multiple people working towards the same goals as you, holding each other accountable. Friends being on the same wavelength as you is crucial, as it gives you that stepping stone you need if you're ever straying away from your full potential. I'll be so honest, life and the things you gotta do is so much more fun and bearable when you have the people that you love and respect around you. Finally, if you ever see yourself slacking, try to implement psychological tactics like habit stacking, where certain habits roll into other habits, making it less daunting. Or the 2-minute rule, meaning if there's something that you can do in 2 minutes, make sure you do it then and there. There are other things as well, such as the implementation, intention, emotional regulation, and so much more. So if you guys really want me to make a video on this, let me know in the comments and I will deliver. But there you have it, lads. It won't be easy, but I believe in each and every one of you, and it will be a shame if we don't all reach our full potential. That being said, please like and subscribe. You don't understand how much it helps the channel grow, and until next time, my brothers, peace.